Hello everyone and welcome. Today is a reference to the full harvest moon of the 20th of September 2021 and also the autumn equinox. So, what does this mean? Harvest moons are considered a particularly lucky full moon. The harvest moon is often the brightest full moon of the year because it occurs closest to the autumnal equinox. Harvest moons have been associated with harvest festivals for hundreds of years and were celebrated in Europe from the Middle Ages until well into the 16th century. Festivals are held on the full moon closest to the harvest time, which is September or October in North America. In some traditions, it's identified with the corn and has extra importance amongst those who celebrate when crops are brought in from the fields. What is a harvest moon? The harvest full moon of September can be a little tricky. Most full moons correlate with the month that it lands in. However, the full moon that is closest to the autumn equinox is considered the harvest moon. Typically, the harvest moon lands in September, but occasionally it lands in October, every 3 years. When is the harvest moon? The full harvest moon rises shortly after sunset. The bright moonbeams of September's moon are extremely helpful for busy farmers harvesting their crops and allowed them to work long hours into the night. This is how the harvest moon's name came to be. September harvest moon's spiritual meaning. September's moon's spiritual meaning is all about balance and abundance. Whether you're celebrating the harvest moon or the corn moon, it's a time to honour and appreciate your home. A time for reflection and gratitude. Full moons always symbolise a time of climatic conclusion, but this is felt even more deeply now as we near the changing of seasons and the cooler months ahead that are imminent. We are beginning to turn inward. This is a time of balance, just as it is for the natural world around us. We feel the coming of the darkness and are pulled towards our spiritual side in a new way. Alternative names: full moon, barley moon, nut moon, drying grass moon, autumn moon, singing moon, moon when the deer paw the earth. September harvest moon correspondences. The harvest moon symbolises the connection between life and death, growth and decay, natural cycles and seasonal times. Spiritual meanings and intentions: gratitude, abundance, harvesting and agriculture, transitions, balance, home and hearth. Brown, burnt orange, deep red, amber, dark green and earth tones are colours associated. Crystals associated: citrine, amber, quartz, aventurine, gold, ruby and tiger's eye. The home, decor: apples, peaches, wheat, barley grains, corn, maize, blue or gold, fallen leaves, pumpkins or gourds, flax seeds. So, to recap, the next full moon will occur on Monday, the 20th of September at 7:55 AM, but the moon will appear full the night before and after its peak to the casual stargazer. One of the spirit animals associated with this particular moon is the bear. Bear spirit animal meaning. The bear spirit animal is a powerful force in the lives of those who are chosen by this special being. On a spiritual level, the bear represents the courage to evolve and the ability to be open-minded. In addition, the bear reminds us to trust our instincts and to be protective of our faith. Reference to the autumn equinox. Autumn equinox 2021 in the Northern Hemisphere will be on 2020, Wednesday, the 22nd of September. The spiritual meaning of autumn equinox. Autumn equinox represents a lot in the world of the universe. It is an equilibrium of day and night, and this represents the light and darkness in our lives. The long summer months have passed, and we are now in a new season of transition. Each season represents a stage of life within ourselves, and the spiritual meaning of autumn equinox represents a beautiful becoming, especially this year. This past summer was full of eclipses that led to lots of emotional upbringing. Not to mention Mercury was retrograde for weeks on end. Think about all the thoughts, worries, work and affirmations you've experienced these last few months. The universe has witnessed and heard your worries and desires. The season of autumn is here to slow things down and lead you to what you need. The autumn equinox is also known as the Witches' Thanksgiving. This is a time of harvest. I'll also pay reference to the Shaman Wisdom cards. Hunting Moon, Libra, Baskets, Adult. September 23rd to October 23rd. Libra, Baskets, Adult. I am Hunting Moon. I am the preparation for the coming winter. I'm here to remind you to prepare your house and to put it in order. You must be mindful of relationships, be they partnerships, contracts, unions or marriages. Things are not what they appear to be. There are times in relationships that it's best not to say anything, but to bear what is being said. Listen closely. Now is the time to consider your artistic side and create something of beauty and give it away. I provide strength for your hunt and your quest. What will you bear in mind for your harvest? Please hold that thought, leave a comment, and take care.